Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unlink a social login from your Wise account. If you've signed in using Google, Apple, or Facebook and want to disconnect it for security or personal reasons, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, log into your Wise account and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open your account menu. Next, select Settings, and then click on Security and Privacy. Once you're on the Security and Privacy page, look for the section called Social Login Options. Here, you'll see a list of all the social accounts currently linked to your Wise profile. Find the account you want to disconnect, whether that's your Google, Apple, or Facebook login, and click Disconnect next to it before you finish. It's very important to set a new password so you can continue logging into Wise without using your social login. To do this, go back to your settings, find the section called Change Password, and create a new, secure password for your account. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your social login from Wise and secured your account with a new password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another Wise tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.